It's Miss Emily, and today I have a very special guest. His name is Kyler, and he is my cousin. Say hi. Hi. And he is about to be in 3rd grade. So Kyler, what is your biggest tip of advice for 2nd grade? Because my kiddos are about to go into 2nd grade after the summer.
Well, listen to the teacher and always focus on the subject.
That's wonderful advice. And what was your favorite thing about 2nd grade? Math. Awesome. Well, here he is. He just finished 2nd grade. If you need any tips and tricks, feel free to ask more questions because Kyler's hanging out with us today. So today we are going to be doing our STEM activity since it's Tuesday. And today you see we're outside, we're at my grandma's house. We are going to be using our chalk, and you should have gotten some chalk like this. I think it was white, in your packs from Miss Davis and I a few weeks ago. So go ahead and grab that, and that is all you need today, and then you'll need to go outside when it's sunny. Today we're going to be talking about shadows. Does anybody know what causes a shadow? Kyler, do you know?
Shadows make the sun makes shadows because the thing in front of it makes it.
That's true. So we have shadows because of the sun. When it's all cloudy, it's just shadowy everywhere because the sun isn't out shining on us. But today it's about midday and the sun is shining down right on top of us. And so our shadows are kind of right on us. If we were going to do it in the morning, they'd be on our side, or from the afternoon, they'd be on this side. So depending on what time of day, your shadows may be a different size coming from a different angle because of where the sun is. The sun rises over there, and it's the middle of the day, so it's right above me, and then in the evening it sets over there, and it does that every day. So that's why we have shadows. So today my special helper Kyler is going to help me trace mine. And if you have a sibling or a friend or a grown-up with you, you can have them trace yours. You can trace each other's shadows. Or if you wanted to trace the shadow from the garage or from a car, whatever you want to outside. And I'd love to see your pictures of how it turns out. So Kyler, let's trace mine. What color you want? Blue, good choice. There you go. And I'm just gonna stand here and you trace my part of the shadow. You can see, I'm gonna stand real still. And they'll be different depending on the time of day you do this, so we can talk about that in the comments. We've got our swimsuits on, we're about to go swimming. Make sure you hold real still. All done? Okay, cameraman. This is my brother behind the camera. Hi, Tyler.
Hello.
And there is my shadow. You can see my ponytail and how I was standing my body like this. So if I did it later in the afternoon, come back on me now. If I did it later in the afternoon, my shadow would be longer because of the angle of the sun. So I'd love to see your pictures. I'm going to link some more video information about shadows and more activities you can do with the sun and your shadows. Let's give a big round of applause to Kyler. Woo!
Woohoo.
Thank you so much for being in my video, and bye!